Hello, I am Stephen, or Liu Yun Yang. Today, I'm going to teach you three very basic rules for writing Chinese characters. To do this, I'm going to use the character for mouth, which is ko. As you can see, ko kind of looks like an opened mouth or a box. Now, outside of writing Chinese characters, it doesn't really matter how you draw a box. For example, you could draw a box like this, or you could draw it like this, or you could draw it like this, or you could draw it like this. Now, that doesn't really matter unless you're writing the character for mouth or a Chinese character. The reason? Stroke order. So, let me teach you three very basic rules for stroke order for writing Chinese characters. The first rule is writing top to bottom. The second rule is writing from left to right. Third rule is going from the top left corner to the bottom right corner. So let's try drawing the character ko, applying these three rules. So first we'll go from top to bottom. Then we'll go from left to right, but also from the top left corner to the bottom right corner, and we'll do this all in one stroke. Now we need to close the box. Now we could close the box like this. However, that's violating rule number 2 of going from left to right. So let's redo that, but this time let's apply the rule of going from left to right. There is our character ko, or mouth. Ta-da!